savage force and subtle schemes, and alien rule through ages lasting, have swept your land like lava streams, its wealth and name and nature blasting. Rot not therefore in dull despair, nor moan at destiny in far lands. Face not your foe with bosom bare, nor hide your chains in pleasure's garlands. The wise man arms to combat wrong, the brave man clears a den of lions, the true man spurns a halot's song, the free man's friend is self-reliance. Though France that gave your exiles bread, your priest a home, your hopes a station, or that young land where first was spread the starry flag of liberation, should heed your wrong some future day, and send you voice or sword to plead 'em, with helpful love their help repay. But trust not even to them for freedom. A nation freed by foreign aid is but a corpse by wanton science, convulsed like life and flung to fade. The life itself is self-reliance. Oh, see your quailing tyrant run to courteous lies and Roman agents, his terror lest Ungadon's sun should rise again with riper radiance. Oh, hark the freeman's welcome cheer, and hark your brother suffer sobbing. Oh, mark the universe grow clear. Oh, mark your spirit's royal throbbing. 'Tis freedom's God that sends such signs as pledges of his blessed alliance. He gives bright hopes to brave designs, and lends his bolts to self-reliance. That float alone or hand in hand, in mirthful hour, spirits solemn, in lowly toil or high command, in social hall or charging column, in tempting wealth and trying woe, in struggling with a mob's dictation, in bearing back a foreign foe, in training up a troubled nation. Still hold to truth abound in love, refusing every base compliance. Your praise within, your prize above, and live and die in self-reliance.